Hold on. This is an activation. Can you believe it? I'm taking over X. I'm taking it over. Oh my God. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Sound the alarm. Then tell me if you're sounding it. I'm taking over X.com. The most wholesome website. The most friendly website of them all. I'm taking it over. X.com. Oh shit. Oh God. Man the cannons. Polish the harpoons. That's Ray. He can hear me. I haven't spoken since I literally just woke up. And so Ray can hear me talking. He's like, bitch. 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 I know. He's upset because first of all, nothing's wrong with my cat. He's upset because I'm taking over X, and he thinks it's cringe that I've got a Fortnite boss, and it makes him upset because he wished that it was a different, an actually iconic Halloween character. He said we got this fucking female rapper. So he's upset. He's protesting at my door. That's what's wrong with my cat. That's the only thing that's wrong with my cat. Ray. Oh, Ray. Ray, it's just a game. It's just a game. You'll be fine. God. Ray, it's a video game. Anyway, I'm taking over the Fortnite X channel. I am taking over the Fortnite X right now. And there's nothing you could do about it. It's gonna last like a few hours. And buckle your seatbelts, as they say. Oh, I've never done a relay race. I'm allergic to mustard. Oh shit, I fell asleep. Oh, by the way, everybody, I'm taking over Fortnite X, Their whole channel. It's mine now. So, yeah. Put that in your kazoo and blow it. Because it's like a kid's game. I can't say stuff. Put that in your... Put that in your... Put that in your shoe and do a... play jump rope. I don't know. I'm out of here. That's it. That's my cue. I can't think of anything else funny, so I'm just gonna leave. And I'm gonna leave you with this. I'm taking over X. Fortnite channel on X. I'm taking it over. That's what I'm gonna do. Bye. Peace. Peace. Peace.